I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Hustle Hawk in Hoops Life. First, begin by creating a new player. Choose the shooting guard position to ensure a balanced skill set. Set your player's height to exactly 6 feet 4 inches and maintain a weight of 180 pounds. This combination provides excellent speed and agility, crucial for a hustling playstyle. These foundational choices are key to unlocking your player's full potential on the court. Next, let's focus on your core attributes. Maximize your driving layup and driving dunk to ensure you can finish strong at the rim. For defense, boost your perimeter defense to 88 and lateral quickness to 84, making you a lockdown defender. Additionally, set your ball handling to 85 and pass accuracy to 79 for effective playmaking and court control. Now, for your physical profile, select the option that gives you the highest speed and acceleration, aiming for 90 speed and 93 acceleration. Then, choose the red and yellow skill pie chart. This blend provides a strong foundation in both defense and finishing. This combination also grants a 95 vertical, essential for grabbing rebounds and contesting shots effectively. To complete your Hustle Hawk, select the Playmaking Takeover. This will significantly boost your speed and dribbling. Remember to use shooting boosts to enhance your mid-range and three-point shots, aiming for 75 and 74 respectively. Play aggressively on defense, push the pace in transition, and make smart decisions with the ball. This build is designed for relentless, all-around performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.